Hello and welcome to Kindred Spirit Tarot. This is your daily message for all zodiac signs for Thursday, the 23rd of May 2019. Thank you so much for joining me. If it's your first visit, welcome. If you are returning, then welcome back and thank you. For today's reading, I am using the Tarot de la Nuit, the Tarot of the Night. This is by Alexandra V. Bach. Okay, well, let's see what wonderful message Spirit has for us for today. Very inspiring messages we are receiving at the moment. Thank you. What is the message? Oh, thank you. And the cards, well, they're still not wasting time at all. Okay. Your first card is the Ace of Wands, followed by Major Arcana number 15, the Devil, and followed by the Queen of Swords in the reverse. Your first card is the Ace of Wands. Ace, a beginning, a start. And this beginning I'm feeling for you, as it's wand energy, I'm feeling it's one of optimism, ambition. On the lady's chest here we see a lock. And I feel today that some of you are going to be unlocking your heart centre, your heart energy. In this unlocking, I feel that you will start to feel more optimistic, ambitious. This is a real opportunity today, my friends, for some of you to really focus on your desires, your goals, your dreams, your ambitions. Get optimistic today is the message I am hearing. Get optimistic about your life. This lady, she's kind of looking off into the distance. That's because she's daydreaming, I am hearing. Although this is kind of at night time, she's awake. And so she is actually daydreaming. In the action of daydreaming, using our imagination, she's kind of, I feel she's turned away from reality. So from what is being reflected back to her, I feel that she doesn't like it and she wants to change it, and she knows the way to change it is by focus, intention on her true heart's desires. Okay. Next we have Major Arcana number 15, the Devil. This today I am feeling is, it's the opposite of where you want to see yourself, like your reality. I feel that this is your reality staring back at you and you don't like it. Maybe you're caught up in ego, caught up in materialism, the desires of the material world, I am hearing. Actually, what I feel, my friends, is that you're turning away from your shadow side. You are turning away from the energy of ego. That's what you are turning away from. This is the reality that you don't like. This is the reality that's being mirrored back to you, and you really don't like it, my friends. Yeah, really, again, I'm hearing that you are, you want to turn away from this because you want to access your heart's desires, not what others think that you should have to in the material world, to kind of to be a somebody, to have status. Oh wow, you're turning away from all of that, my friends. That's why the Queen's come in the reverse. Status has no meaning for you now. It doesn't have power over you. You've turned away from status and power and ego and materialism, because in the actions of trying to control all of those energies, to keep all of that going, it's taking too much out of you. Your tower keeps toppling. I feel now you are turning away from this negative energy, and focusing more on your heart's desires. And the Queen of Swords, well, normally in the upright, she's the one that she's about communication. She's about her thoughts and her words. She's the one that walks her walk and talks her talk. The fact that I feel that she's come in the reverse today, I feel that you want to shut the door on how you have been thinking and how you have been speaking into the world. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Well, where should we go now with this one? Okay. Which is Wisdom. This is Barbara Micklejohn Free and Flavia Kate Peters. What is the message for my wonderful friends from Spirit for Thursday, the 23rd of May 2019? What do my wonderful friends need to know? Thank you. Okay. Let me just lower that. And you have the Book of Shadows, Secret. Okay. The knowledge you possess runs deeper than you think. You have all the information you need to move forward. Allow the answers to shine forth, and you will gain all the knowledge you need to help you on your journey. You are the wise one, the wisdom keeper, and the Book of Shadows opens its pages to you as an invitation. You must document the secrets that you hold in your heart. So the Book of Shadows, I feel, is your shadow side being revealed to you, helping you to move and focus towards the dreams and desires that you have in your heart. Your thoughts, dreams and ideas will flow as you unlock every intimate detail. As you put quill to parchment, your wise words are the key to unlocking that which has been preventing you from walking your true path in its fullest capacity. Book of Shadows is all you can trust at this time. It shall hold only that which is your truth, including your magical name. Never share that with others. Play your cards close to your chest and document your ideas, spells and recipes in your Book of Shadows, and trust in it. That which you know is for you alone, ne'er to be shared, 'tis yours to own. Keep thy knowledge within your tower, reveal the secret when in full power. So also This energy is people trying to manipulate you, have power over you and control you, coerce you, engage you in conversation so that you can reveal your secrets, your dreams and your desires, and then sometimes these people they claim them for their own. That's why the Queen of Swords is in the reverse. Normally the lady that walks her walk, talks her talk, is an excellent communicator. She's keeping stum today, my friends, because of, there's somebody there that is would definitely use and claim your thoughts, dreams, ideas for their own. So write them down, journal, keep them to yourself and for yourself. It's definitely going to be taking you somewhere. Okay. Well, now where? Okay. Wisdom of Avalon, Colette Baron Reid. Ooh, straight away. Thank you very much. And you have the Deer, Gentleness and Diplomacy, number 22, a master builder number, 2 and 2. The root number is 4. 4, security, stability, foundation in the material and physical world. I love that gentleness and diplomacy is coming under this devil energy. Couldn't be more opposite. Okay. When the Deer appears, it's a reminder for you to step gently on the path, for you're walking into a time when gentle movements and diplomacy are required. The Deer's strength is in this quality. Make it your own and know that your steps are successfully assured. It's important that you be gentle with yourself as well, for you may be heading into a period where you're unsure of your footing or just coming out of a difficult situation. Blend your personal energy with the Deer's energy of gentleness and diplomacy. Walk softly and the way forward will be smooth. And remember, never mistake gentleness for weakness in yourself or in others. Wow. Okay. Oracle of the Unicorns, Cordelia Francesca Brabs, whom I lovingly call my trusty steeds. What is the message? Thank you. Okay, and we have nature. Ground yourself, find sanctuary in nature and connect with the elementals. And I absolutely love that this has come next to the Deer. So 2 absolutely beautiful spirits of nature. Oh wow, we've got the gentleness of the Deer, and the majesticness, if that's even a word, the majestic unicorn, the unicorn of nature. Being reminded, grounding yourselves, my friends, staying true to what you know, of kindness, caring, compassion, gentleness and diplomacy is the key that unlocks your heart, keeping your thoughts to yourself so that this controlling negative energy I'm feeling cannot then have power over you, because you're not giving anything away to this energy to feed it any power, because you're keeping your thoughts and your words to yourself more now, knowing that I really feel that someone out there really wants to claim your your ideas and your dreams and desires for their own. So really, spend more time in nature, grounding yourselves. If you want to speak to anyone, speak to the elementals and nature, and not to someone I'm hearing in the physical. And if you need also to get things off your chest, I'm also hearing, journal it, document it, write down your thoughts and ideas, but don't be speaking them out into the physical, not at this moment in time, my friends. Oh, wow! What a message! Well, thank you for all of your likes, your shares. Welcome, new subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. You have joined a wonderful family of kindred spirits. And thank you too for your warm, kind, encouraging comments and emails. I really enjoy receiving them, so do keep them coming. And so may favour be with you all, as I wish you a joyful, a peaceful, and a truly blessed day. And until tomorrow, my friends, goodbye.